If you ever wanted to analyze market, track stocks, or plan trades more efficiently, TradingView is one of the most popular platforms to do it. In this beginner tutorial, I will walk you through how to use TradingView step by step. By the end, you will know how to set up charts, add indicators, and make the most of this powerful feature, even if you are completely new. So, what exactly is TradingView? If you don't know, it's a web-based charting and analyzing tool that supports, stocks, cryptos, forex, commodities. Traders love it because it combines professional grade chart with social feature like idea sharing and live chat. Best part, you can start using it for free with plenty of tools already included. Now let's start by signing up. So simply you have to just go and click on try 30 days free trial. You don't have to pay anything here. And if you're going for any plan, then you can just buy it and you can get free trial to check it, right? Now let's use here. So once you open up, and this is how it's going to look like. Let me just close this, right? Now here, this is as you can see here. So once you have signed up, head over to account tradingview.com and create a free account. Once you log in, you will land on the main dashboard, which you can see over your screen. You will land on the main dashboard where you can search for any stock. So if I want to search it, I can generally search it from here. So for example, if I just go and click on here, now let's say right now living in India. So even though if I want to check the stocks of Apple of US, then I can search for Apple, and here you can see that Apple is here, right? And here you can see, like for example, that for I want to see overview, so just go and click on see overview, and it will show you all this information. Even though, as I told you, you can search for any forex, any crypto, BTC, USD, for Bitcoin, and open its chart. If you want to open it up, just go and click on full chart, and you will be able to access everyday information as well as old information too. Now, as you can see here, right now while making this video, right now it's 10 September and the time is 1:30 UTC, and it's just a prediction, but it's not exactly true. So you can just go and check it out, and here you can see this is a 1-day return, there's a 5-day return, 1 month, and you can just check everything. Now let's explore the chart interface. At the top, you will see the toolbar for choosing. So here you can see on supercharts. So if I just go and click on, if I want to view this Apple chart, then I can view it here. You can view your chart through connected or trusted brokers. So if you have, by the way, you can just go and search for all brokers. Depending on which country you're living in, it will show up all these brokers. For example, the top one are the top brokers in India. But if you're watching this video from some other country, then it will be something different. So it's completely up to you. Now let's say if I want to open this full chart, so I will just go and click on full chart here, and this entire chart will open up on my screen here. And right now, if I want to do with a paper trading, which will TradingView will provide me, but as I told you, you can go and open with some different brokers. So just to show you, just to simulate, I will just open a paper trading. I will just go and click on connect, and automatically you can see everything is open up on my screen, right? For example, I want to buy, let's say I want to buy, so I will just go and click on buy here. I will put the price which is showing in my country rate, but in your could be something else. You can just buy directly from market. So let's say I want to buy 10 shares here, which cost around this much, and here you can take profit, exit, and depending on that, just go and click on buy. Now you are able to buy it, right? So this is really easy. Same way, if you want to sell it, you can sell it, you can buy it, and the color changes also. Now this is DUM, and here you can see it's changing. So depending on that, you can just select it and you can buy it. And here you can see take profit, order rejected on. So if there will be some kind of issue, you can just go and check it, and you can see all the notification directly come up here. Now if you want to draw something, or if you're doing a technical analysis, so here I will adjust the screen in this way. Let's say I want 1 day, and here I can draw it. So if I want to draw a trend line, so let's say from here to here, let's say here. Now I can just double click or click and hold, and I can move it. I can adjust it however I want. So for example, let's say like this, and here there's a more. Now I can just create dots or something else. For example, there's a lot of things. I want a regression trend, so I can just click and hold and open it up, right? So I will find this regression tool here. I can adjust it however I want, and it will show me. So it's a great tool, and here you can do a lot of technical analysis, and it's just kind of completely up to you. So at the top you will see this toolbar which I shown you, and you can choose a time frame like 1 minute or let's say 1 hour or daily candles. On the left you will find drawing tools, trend lines, Fibonacci, retracement, text labels, and more. On the right side is a watch list where you can add your favorite symbols, favorite stocks and companies, where you can add your favorite symbols for quick access. The real power of TradingView is it in indicators. Now here you will find this option of indicators button at the top. You will find popular tool like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and 100 more. So it's completely up to you how you want to go. So for example, there are strategies and I want to just go and bar up DND strategy. And here you can see in the chart, it started showing up. Right now you can layer them on your chart to analyze momentum, trends, and volatility. If you want to go further, TradingView even have the community built indicators in its public library. Just go and click on indicators, click on community, and here you can find. So I can just go and choose a trending one, a top one. So this is a squeeze momentum indicator made by Lazy Bear, and as you can see here, this is how it's looking, right? So pretty cool. I can use it, and this is really nice. And another feature traders love is alert. Say you want to be notified if Bitcoin crosses $30,000. You can just right click on the price level, select add alert, and TradingView will send you a pop-up email or even an app notification when the condition is met. This means you don't have to stare at the chart all day and it will save a lot of time. Next, let's talk about layouts. You can save custom chart setup like one with candlestick and Bollinger Bands, another with the line charts and RSI, and switch between them quickly. So this is really useful and it's really nice. By the way, you can even split your screen into multiple charts to compare different assets side by side. So that is a really cool thing because if you are working on a lot of screen, then you can do it, and you can just make it full screen. If you just if you just want to watch a single screen, it's completely up to you, or you can divide your screen in a lot of different way. So, TradingView is also a social platform. You can publish your trading ideas. That's the reason in the indicators, you are able to view community, and here you can use it. Whatever indicators is going to helpful for you, and you can follow traders and see market sentiments in a real time, right? So let's go to the home page first of all. On the top right side corner, just go and click on home, and you will land up here. Now you can see here, there's a lot of community, a lot of chats are going on. So you can just go create your own private or just a normal. Here you will find this option, right? And in this way you can create it. Even the ideas tab show you technical setup people are sharing. And you can also, a stream tab let you watch live market. So that is a pretty much great. And this is a community tab where you can find it, and this is how it's going to be. So that's a beginner guide of TradingView with charts, indicators, alerts, and community insights all in one place. It's a powerful tool whether you're trading stocks, crypto, or forex. Once you customize your workspace, you will see much easier to analyze market. And thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.